When companies need a jingle that's guaranteed to stick in people's brains, they call the Jingle Wranglers.
It is undeniable. Our oil is so reliable. It's just good oil.
Stop the tape. Can we please just say good oil?
Good oil. Oh, so now tough and marshmallow fluff don't rhyme. It's uff and uff.
Marshmallow fluff has nothing to do with motor oil. Plus, it's 14 syllables long.
I do not have to stand for this. I have a master's degree. Out of my way, key grip.
We know.
Stop the BS. No catchy jingles. Just damn good oil.